The scheduled debate on a constitutional amendment bill at the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair on Wednesday failed to take place after Justice Minister Ziyambi Ziyambi did not attend the session, with organizers reportedly cancelling the discussion altogether. Sarabina mashoko blanyi kwa chinzi Ziyambi otiza madugo or subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Moblanyi kwa mchinzi, the absence of Justice Minister was expected to engage in a high-level public debate on the proposed constitutional challenges, sparked disappointment among attendees who had anticipated a robust challenge on one of the country's most contested political issues. The event was expected to feature prominent legal and political voices including constitutional law expert Professor Lakmo Matuko and activist Linda Masarira. Speaking in an interview with Techmark TV at the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair, ahead of the cancelled debate, Maduku reiterated his firm opposition to the proposed amendments, making it clear his position remained unchanged. My position has not changed. I am saying no to the constitutional amendment bill, no to the extension of the presidency term of office, no to the extension of MPs' terms, and whoever elected the bill seeks to rob citizens of the right to participate in democratic process, Madugu said. His remarks underscored the growing resistance from sections of civil society and legal experts who argue the proposed reforms would undermine democratic participation. Madugu also clarified his stance ahead of what was expected to be a national-level debate on Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, insisting he would not shift his position despite ongoing political pressure. With the Justice Minister present and the discussion ultimately shelved, questions have been raised over the government's engagement with public debate on constitutional reform as the tensions around the proposed amendments continues to simmer. Toma developments are popangwa inapenda kumesisha menda uzafunga imba tukulipa msoro kwa chituko ichi. Uzan subscribe or like, chetu on the bell icon.